In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. With Facebook professional mode, you can start making money from your content or your Facebook Reels without waiting for anybody. So Facebook now allows you to monetize Facebook Reels by turning on professional mode on your Facebook profile. So with the professional mode turned on your Facebook, you'll be able to monitor and see which of your content or Facebook Reels is performing, be able to know who your followers are. Now, to turn on professional mode on your Facebook, all you need to do is have either a Facebook page or turn your Facebook profile to a page. So if you want to turn your Facebook profile to a page, you'll be able to access professional mode on your Facebook profile. Or if you have a Facebook page that is eligible for professional mode, you will be able to turn on the professional mode feature on that page. Now let's go ahead now and see how you'll be able to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. Open the Facebook application and click on your profile icon at the top right. Once you hit that, click on the three dot menu just beside edit profile, and once you hit that, tag turn on professional mode. Here you go, then click on turn on. After that, you should see success. Your profile is now in professional mode, and you'll be prompted to set up your professional mode on your device. And after that, you can just come back to your Facebook profile and you should see your followers and the number of people that you are following on Facebook. This is how you easily enable professional mode. For more details on Facebook professional mode, you can just click on see dashboard. Once you hit see dashboard, you see how to configure your Facebook professional mode, and you see your engagement so far on Facebook professional mode. This is where you have access to Facebook Reels monetization, Facebook professional mode setup, ad center, moderation assist, fan engagement, profile recommendation, and a lot more feature under the professional mode. So just need to make sure you play around the Facebook professional mode to allow Facebook to monetize your Facebook Reels. So guys, if this video is helpful on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook, you want to hit that, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.